The People's Democratic Party (PDP) and their candidate for the September 21, 2024 governorship election for Edo State, Dr. Asue Ighodalo, on Wednesday bring 3 more witnesses come their legal fight to nullify the emergence of Governor Mode Okpebholo as the winner of the election. Una go remember said the petitioners start their case on Tuesday, called 3 witnesses wey come from Ikpoba-Awka, Akoko Edo and Owa West local government areas. The witnesses talk say malpractice dey during the election. On Wednesday, the PDP and Ighodalo come add 3 more witnesses to continue their case before the tribunal where Justice Wilfred Kpochi dey lead. The new witnesses also talk say the election gets plenty irregularities. One of the witnesses, Destiny Enabulele, where the petitioner's lawyer Abiodun Owonikoko SAN lead for evidence, talk say in based in witness statement on the irregularities wey in see during the election and the election documents when he check. Say these na documents when he personally check well to make sure say in witness statement on oath correct. Ekosti talk say no record dey for sensitive materials wey INEC use for 19 polling units for Ovia Southwest local government area. When the lawyer of the respondent ask him if he helped make the documents when he used for the statement, Enabulele talk say na only from EC8C wey be word collation result in help prepare. Small drama starts when Baba Idenohe, one witness from Esako West local government area, talk say them do overvoting for 3 polling units wey be unit 021 to 023 for in local government. But he later shows say some of the documents where Idenohe talk say in use for in statement they certified by INEC on January 8, 2025, while in swear the statement on oath on October 10, 2024. Another witness, Moses Agbuko from Esako East local government area, wey be PDP Collation Agent, also claims say overvoting shele for their side. Agbuko come urge the court say make them admit in party's word collation agent tag and in witness statement on oath as evidence for the petitioners. But the lawyers for INEC, Kalu Agabi SAN, for Okpebholo Oyechi Ikpeazu SAN, and for APC Ukala SAN object to the documents. The tribunal chairman Justice Kpochi for a ruling come talk say the documents go dey provisionally admitted as evidence. He can later adjourn the case to today, Thursday, the 23rd of January 2025 for more hearing. A legal practitioner, Stephen Okoro, as seen the updates to read people, come talk say
so far they took 2 witnesses today and they were cross-examined. Documents were tendered. Those documents tendered were vehemently objected to, and the reasons for the objection was reserved to their final written address. That's what's happened today, and so far so good. The witnesses, they'll be wonderful, the lawyers wonderful, and the process is going on smoothly.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.